identify sharp and blunt sensation on your right and left sides. Okay, so I'll be doing your evaluation from the head up until the toe and up until your buttocks and your anal area. Alright, if you feel uncomfortable all throughout the procedure or in any point of the procedure, please let me know. Alright, so let me just orient you. This is blunt, this is sharp. This is blunt, this is sharp. Okay, can you close your eyes please? What is this? You tell me.
None.
Okay,
Sharp.
alright,
None.
alright.
Sharp.
Alright, so since you know the sharp and blunt sensation on your face, alright, please take note of it as I apply this sensory testing device. This is a paper clip. As I test the different parts of your body, you tell me if it is sharp or blunt. You understand, class? Alright, before that, okay, let me first tell you what are the dermatomal areas. C2, alright, there's no C1 because C1 class is a pure motor nerve. So there's no cutaneous innervation. We have to start at C2. C2 is located at the external occipital protuberance. So the external occipital protuberance is somewhere here. So right and then left. Is that clear, class? C2, external occipital protuberance. C3, alright. C3, supraclavicular area, mid-clavicular line. C4, alright, acromion area or the acromioclavicular joint area. Guys, so very simple. The highest summit in the shoulder is your acromion area. C4. Is that clear? Thank you. Okay. Supraclavicular area, mid-clavicular line. When I say mid-clavicular line, you get a line, alright, at the middle of the clavicle. So, supraclavicular area, mid-clavicular line, C3. Acromion area, C4. Lateral antecubital area or lateral epicondyle or lateral epicondylar area, C5. C6, dorsum of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. C7, dorsum of the proximal phalanx of the middle finger. T1, dorsum of the proximal phalanx of little finger. Alright? T1, medial epicondylar area. Okay? T2, apex of the axilla. Alright? Apex of the axilla. Okay? Get it, guys? So this is the apex of the axilla. So the highest, top, that is your C2. Sorry, T2. Okay. T1, lateral epicondyle area. Okay. T2, okay. T2, apex of the axilla. T3, okay, third intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T4, fourth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line along the horizontal line along the nipple. Okay, however, remember class that some nipple, especially for women, it may go beyond the fourth intercostal space. So it's better to use the fourth intercostal space rather than the nipple area or the nipple line. Do you understand, class? I will repeat. T2, T3, third intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T4, fourth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T5, okay, fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T6, guys, T6, if this is the xiphoid process of the sternum, all right, the horizontal line intersecting the mid-clavicular line, okay, all right, so this is your xiphoid process, all right, so the line along the xiphoid process, okay, intersecting the mid-clavicular line is your T6 dermatome. You understand? T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Understood? Now, after that, we have to identify the umbilicus. You know what is the umbilicus, right? The navel. So, in the navel, alright, if you draw a horizontal line, there is a line that will again intersect the mid-clavicular line. Alright, that corresponds to your T10. Alright, do you understand, class? Half of the distance between T6 and T10 is T8. You understand? Half the distance between T6 and T8 is T7. Half the distance between T8 and T10 is T9. You understand? Alright, let me repeat. T2, apex of the axilla. T3, third intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T4, fourth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T5, fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. T6, alright, line intersecting the xiphoid process, mid-clavicular line. Okay. T7, alright, T7, quarter distance from the umbilicus. T8, half distance from the umbilicus. T9, three-fourths distance, okay, three-fourths distance, okay, to the umbilicus. Okay? T11, or T10, I'm not gonna mention anymore, okay? Okay. Then T11, this one, okay, but it's very difficult to know T11 before you know where T12 is. So what you do, guys, is you first look at T12. And where is T12? Midpoint of inguinal ligament. So if this is the ACEs and this is the pubic bone, you get the distance. The midline of that would be your T12. Pubis, the bone. Alright. So, like this is your T12. So, between T10 and T12 will be T11. You understand, class? Alright. Now, T12, midpoint of inguinal ligament. Alright. Now, look for the medial epicondyle of the femur. The medial epicondyle of the femur, class, will correspond to L3. Alright. T12, and then this is L3. Half distance between T12 and L3 is L2. Half distance between L2 and T12 is L1. So this is L1, L2, L3. Understood? Alright. I will repeat. T12, midpoint of the inguinal ligament. L1, alright, halfway between L1 and halfway between T12 and L2. Okay, L2, halfway between T12 and L3. L3, medial, what? Medial epicondyle. Okay. L3. You understand, class? L4, medial malleolus. L5, dorsum of third MTP. Okay? Again, L5, dorsum of third MTP. S1, lateral heel. S2, midline of the popliteal fossa. Okay? Midline of the popliteal fossa. S3, okay, S3, okay, ischial tuberosity. Okay, and S4, S5 will be the perineal area. So here. So if this is the anus, S4, S5, S4, S5. On both sides. Okay, this is your anal opening. So this one and this one. Right and left side. You understand, class? S4, S5, S4, S5. Is that clear? Okay, let me repeat. Alright. C2, alright, C2, external occipital protuberance. C3, supraclavicular fossa, mid-clavicular line. Okay?